So you know how whenever like airplaners are like, "Hey, I'm thirsty," then they'd be late. Well, I just made an airplane attached with a mud. Isn't it so cool? Wait, let's test it. I can drink. I can drink while airplane too. So that's how airplaners drink. I think I don't know, but yes, that's how. Yes. And you know how airplaners have to bring their gift or their card with them. No, there's a new thing. Because with the new group item, there is plenty of possibilities. Like, look here. So now you can put your thingy in your scissors so that you can cut it up like this. Look. So like yeah, like that. Yeah. So now you can just like be carrying your scissors. You're like, oh, I forgot my key card for the airplane. You can just look there, then tell your information to the security. Or should we make Ashley? And also come at the code. It's gonna be my fan code. My fan code's gonna be let's see. It's gonna be HHH. It's gonna be my fan code for modded Gorilla Tag. I mean not Gorilla Tag, modded Animal Company. This is the game, the modded Animal Company, so make sure to play it and go on my fan code because I'm most likely to be there in late hours, like 7 or maybe 4. Well, maybe the 7 to 4. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah. The Sigma. The Sigma. What did I just do, bro? What in the absolute Sigma? I'm so Sigma. Sorry. I have technical issues, so it's gonna be the end of the video.